If you are a sales professional who spend your time driving revenue, let's be brutally honest. How much of your work is spent on busy work, meaning tasks that take time but don't move the needle? Lead research, drafting proposals, writing follow ups, it all adds up. Today, we are changing that story. We're going to talk about how you can unlock AI to close more deals and completely transform your daily workflow. This is not about replacing you, it's about giving you the smartest teammate in the world. Over 180 million users worldwide are already leveraging the shift. We're going to dive into the top 20 ChatGPT or Gemini prompts that are a game changer for sales, freeing up valuable time so you can focus on high impact conversations, relationship building. We all know that a strong sales pipeline starts with a solid foundation, prospecting and lead generation. But finding the right person at the right company with the right message, that's where most of the busy work is. Gemini or ChatGPT turn this into a science from a chore. Prompt number one, define your ICP. Instead of generic lists, you can ask AI to create detailed profiles of an ideal customer profile ICP, complete with industry, the company size, and specific pain points. Number two, research market trends. Imagine knowing the latest challenge in your prospect's target market before you call them. AI helps you stay ahead and instantly personalizes your message. Prompt number three, decision makers. No more wasting time on gatekeepers. AI can help you find the right contacts with the role insights. Prompt number four, personalized outreach. Now, this is extremely critical if you're a sales professional. You can generate compelling cold emails and LinkedIn messages that actually resonate with each prospect. And prompt number five, build nurture sequences. It will even help you create multi step follow up campaigns to systematically move leads down the pipeline. Now, here's the pro tip for you, be specific. The more detail you give the AI, the more targeted and effective your lead generation becomes. Once you have done the research, the moment of truth is a cold outreach. We're all competing in a crowded inbox. So if you don't grab attention, you lose. So prompt number six, compelling subject lines. Instead of guessing, let AI craft personalized attention grabbing subject lines that dramatically increase open rates. Prompt number seven, resonate email body. This content needs to be persuasive, authentic, and speak directly to the buyer's pain points, their goals, and their aspirations. No more generic email templates. And prompt number eight, discovery call scripts. A great call is planned, not improvised. Use AI to develop an engaging call framework and talking points that ensure a productive discovery conversation. And prompt number nine, objection preparation. We all hate being caught off guard. AI can help you prepare, be confident, be empathetic, and respond to common objections before the call, giving you a total peace of mind. Now, these four prompts move you from a scattergun approach to a surgical strike, making every piece of communication count. Now, let's talk about objection handling and negotiation prompts. This is where the real art of sales comes in, handling objections and negotiations. The conversation shifts, and you need to be ready. And that brings us to prompt number 10, which is to simulate buyer objections. Now, this is one of the coolest uses. We can literally ask ChatGPT or Gemini to role play as a tough buyer. It builds your confidence and empathy and prepares you for real conversations. And the next prompt, 11, is value based negotiation. Stop being the discount guy or the discount girl. AI helps you generate strategies that emphasize ROI outcomes and long term value rather than just being focusing on price. Problem number 12 is competitor positioning. When a prospect asks about a competitor, you need a compelling non negative answer. AI helps you craft responses that highlight your unique strengths without disparaging the alternative. And problem number 13 is re engagement tactics. You got a prospect that went cold? Use AI to write follow up emails that revive cold prospects with fresh value propositions and a compelling reason to talk now. Think of Gemini or ChatGPT as a sales coach running drills with you before the big game. The best professionals don't just do the work, they analyze their performance. AI can dive deep into your data to make you sharper. That takes us to prompt 14, which is the call transcript analysis. Imagine feeding a recorded sales call transcript to AI. It can instantly identify winning patterns, conversation gaps, and coaching opportunities. You can learn what your top reps say and train the rest of the team instantly. The next prompt 15 is about deal scoring and prioritization. Every salesperson struggles with where to focus. AI can help you systematically evaluate and rank opportunities based on buying signals, on budget authorities, and timelines. Focus on the deals you can actually win. And that brings us to prompt 16, which is sentiment extraction. By mining customer feedback and interaction, AI helps you understand the emotional tone and refine your messaging strategy to match what the customers are feeling. And 17, data driven reporting. Forget spending hours in Excel. You can generate comprehensive sales report with actionable insights for strategy adjustments all in minutes. Now, these prompts allow you to step away from being a historian of your sales process and becoming an active architect of future success. The final stretch, proposals and quotations. Now, these need to be perfect, persuasive, and custom tailored. So, the first prompt number 18, customized proposals. You can draft professional proposals that align your product features directly with the client specific pain point and business objectives. No more copy paste proposal decks. And prompt 19 is about pricing automation. AI can auto generate pricing sheets and tiered package offers from your product catalog, saving you hours of manual, painstaking formatting work. And prompt 20 is follow ups. After sending a proposal, the follow up is everything. AI can help you create natural, varied follow up templates that avoid sounding repetitive while maintaining a consistent, professional. The impact here is huge. Sales professionals report saving 3 to 5 hours per week on proposal writing alone using AI assistants. Imagine what you could do with that extra time. More conversations, more relationship building, more deals closed. We have covered 20 prompts, but I want to leave you with one more, a bonus that is perhaps the most powerful tool for empathy, which is the buyer perspective prompt. The prompt is act as a buyer in your industry of choice. What would make you open my email, take a call, and consider switching? Be brutally honest. This simple role reversal allows you to flip the perspective, step directly into your buyer's shoes to understand what truly motivates them and influences their decisions. It helps you cut through the noise, discover what a prospect pay attention, and more importantly, what causes them to tune out or delete. And it builds authentic trust. You can craft outreach that feels genuine, that feels relevant, and feels respectful of your prospect's time and priorities. Now, use this prompt to critique your own messaging and make sure you are selling what they're actually buying. To get the most out of your new AI teammate, you need to follow 4 simple best practices. 1. Be specific with context. Your output is only as good as your input. Always include product details, audience demographics, and situational context for a highly tailored, relevant response. 2. Assign clear roles. Don't just ask a question. Ask Gemini or ChatGPT to act as a specific persona, let's say a sales manager, a skeptical buyer, or an industry analyst to get different valuable perspectives. Number 3, iterate and refine. The first output is a draft, not the final answer. Request revisions, ask for summaries, or expand sections until the output perfectly matches your needs and voice. Remember, it's human centered. So you are the center of all this. And number 4, always fact check. This is a critical guardrail. Always verify AI generated content for accuracy, particularly statistics and claims, before sharing it with a prospect or a client. Now, the question is not, is AI going to change sales? It is, are you going to be the one to master it? You have the tools right now. The time to start is now. So you start today. You can integrate these prompts immediately to save time and close more deals. The best results come when you blend AI insights with your own sales expertise. In 2025, embrace AI as your smartest teammate and truly unlock your full potential. That brings us to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. All you have to do is go to the bottom of the description and you'll see the link to become a member. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. Thank you for watching.